What's going on, folks? You ready to make some money? Smash that like button. I have a coin for you guys that I think is going to make 100x in this next cycle that is held by Alex Becker himself. He's got about $40,000 worth of this token, and this token just made a major pullback. So we're going to dive right into the chart. I'm going to show you what this token is, let you guys get a chance to look at it yourselves while it has this pullback, because it's been consolidating for some time now. This coin is none other than blockchain bets. Now, blockchain bets is a GambleFi token. It's in the gambling niche, which is like the sister niche to the crypto gaming niche, which has absolutely been exploding and delivering major gains. This thing itself left major gains. This thing went from what was that, 0.7 to all the way up here. My God, that was like a 5x, right? Yeah. 7. That was like it did like a 7x in that little bit of time right there, and that was from the end of November. Remember, cryptos were pumping from October. Cryptos pumped from October, but I guess this one didn't take off in October when all the other ones did. Maybe it took off a little bit, but it was all the way down here, and then Alex mentioned it on his channel and made it absolutely explode. Now, as you can see, it's come down quite substantially from this top mark right here. If you were to look at the top area was around 43 up here. We're down to 31. So we've made quite a retracement. This thing still is up here a little bit, but is now down here at where it's hit each of these times right here. So this is like a heavy support level right here. Now, mind you guys, real quick here, that the market is in extreme greed territory right here. So proceed with caution. Even though Bitcoin has rallied a lot and the altcoins are supposed to rally next, it's cool that today is a down day for all of the altcoins. Not all of them, but most of my altcoins are down today, which is fine. This gives us more buying opportunities. That's why I'm bringing this to you guys. So it's on the Ethereum network. You can get it with MetaMask. I imagine there's other places that you can get it as well. They probably tell you that right here on the website. They have their own app. You could launch this app right here. Welcome to Blockchain Bets. Decentralized sports betting and online casino platform, right? So you can play games, win big. Look at this right here. 3,000 active users, $5 million in volume. You can go right through all this right here. Fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. Legacy, World Cup, Inu. So you could just pull on through this website right here and like check all this stuff out here. It reflects the true spirit of decentralization and ensures a safe, secure environment for the users. You know, like if Alex Becker bought this token, he probably did a lot of research and he knows that this is a solid, good project. You could also stake your token right here. So if you guys are going to hold this long term and buy like a couple, tens of thousands of dollars worth, you'll be staking it and then getting more tokens. And then when this thing pumps really hard, you'll have all those tokens that were staked that you'll be able to claim, and you'll have thousands of dollars worth of tokens to yield. So that works out good. And here's your exchanges. You can get it on Mexi, BKEX, or Bitmart. I got mine. How do you do it? Uniswap. Because it's on the Ethereum network, so you can just go to Uniswap. I'll tell you what you do. You take this right here. You take this contract address to Uniswap with your MetaMask with your Ethereum, and you can pop right into there and you can buy some of this token. Easy to use platform with great features, instant payouts and rewards, 100% of profits to the community. It's truly decentralized and there's no KYC required. So everything here looks really good. Where's the roadmap? You look on into the roadmap. It brought me up here for the roadmap. That was funny. Brought me right here. That's kind of funny. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll launch the app real quick and I'll show you guys that before I let you guys go here. While that website is loading right there, this is the all-time. This is the all-time of this. So this came out in January back here. January 21st it came out, and it was at that price, and I can see why it got bought up, because it was still almost at that same freaking price right here when it absolutely exploded and took off. Now we're at a 26 million market cap, but this thing was almost a 40 million market cap last week. So like I said, it has made quite a pullback. Do your research, check it out. None of this is financial advice. I'm personally not even holding the token yet. I'm waiting for a little bit more of a pullback. I've been watching it because by the time I saw it, it was you know, it was really up there. It was like in the 30s. It was like in this area already, and then it was too much, and I couldn't ride it. I'll tell you what I did ride. There's another token here. I'll show you Winner. Winner's the other GambleFi token that's in here before I let you guys go. Winner hasn't really pumped as much. Winner's only pumped 146% total compared to blockchain bets, and it's only at an 8 million market cap, and they have a similar style. It's a whole gambling platform where there's all kinds of games that you can play with the Winner coin personally, so their native token, and it's on the Arbitrum network. You can use ETH ARB that you get, so and you can look up ways to do that too, but this video is not about that. I'm actually just going to pop into here. Dangerous website. Oh no, that's not good. Time to end the video.